Good morning. So I have a super overly ambitious lineup planned for today. I'm not sure how many stops I'm going to get to, but it's been a while since I drove around all day shopping. Been kind of lazy. Although I wouldn't call myself lazy. I don't know what the right term is, but either way, I'm starting my day today at Bedford Street Antiques. So at first I thought this was a new booth, but it looks like it's a booth that was already here that just moved. Chalkware skunk ashtray, $10. That's kind of cool. I'm not sure how to feel about it. I like the skunk. I'm gonna keep looking. Man, this little lamp is only $3. A little vintage Pooh Bear. He is so sweet. $50 though. I bought a old Pooh Bear not that long ago, and I kind of got stuck with it, which is surprising. I'm trying to put him back. He really wants to come with me. Little Santa tin litho, $12. Coasters. Those are cute. Probably in Hong Kong or Taiwan. Nope, made in China. Just kidding. Way too new. Oh wow, I really love this tray. This cart, I guess you could, I don't know why I called it a tray. 75. Ooh. Oh man, this is the same exact desk I have in my office. Little thumb suckers. Those are pretty cute. 25, that's more than I'd sell them for. They're relatively common, and I kind of have a hard time offloading them, although I really like the guy's eyelashes. And I've had this set in my shop for a long time. Okay, but this bank is really cool. Normally kind of stray away from Roy Dess stuff because, to be frank, it kind of just sits around. But this one's pretty different. It's $18 and then 15% off. I might pick that up, and of course I love the owls, but $20, I can't do that. What? Hamburger phone? That is awesome. It's in the original box. It's definitely more than I'd like to spend though. So I feel like $16 or whatever it is a really fair price for this, but because of the stains, and I'm not sure what's going on with this pom-pom thing, I am gonna leave it just because I've had such bad luck with Roy Dess. Got a pumpkin blow mold, 65. And then I've had this set a bunch of times. What is this? 19. That's about what I sold mine for too. Oh, I see some owls hiding in here. $9. This is another set I've had before. The price is super fair, but I'm kind of trying to find something different I haven't picked up before, especially because sales have been kind of slow recently. I can't help but laugh at this jewelry box. Interesting. This also caught my eye, this lacquered one with the geisha instead of a ballerina. That is really pretty. These are usually kind of pricey. 28 is definitely fair retail. I might be able to make a few bucks off that, but not enough to get excited about. Funny little bisque doll. 17. Something's kind of off about it. I'm trying to figure out what it's German. It's got great eyes. I don't think that's supposed to be that way. And of course, the little cowgirl. I've had that one before. Oh, I think these boomerang ashtrays are so fun. 23 for the pair. That's just around what I'd get for both of them if they sold separately. I really love this hand-painted, I think it's a fan back here. It's $40 though. So we're just gonna admire that and move on. Is it weird that I kind of like this? Not sure what's doing it for me. Huh. 21. This is wall pocket. 18. Not my favorite. And we got the little pose elf in here. 18 again. Dang, striking out. Okay, but this lamp is everything. I am obsessed with that. 300 bucks. You know what? I feel like that's incredibly fair. Yeah, I've never seen one exactly like that. That is super neat. Speaking of lamps, these are really neat too. It's $48 for the set of 3. That's a great price. They don't have shades, but I kind of feel like they'd even be cool with an Edison bulb. Oh wow, that actually really startled me. Oh, cute little pink elephant. Man, there's a guy buying a horn in here and it's actually driving me nuts. That is so cute. $4.50. That's a good price. What's this? Bee serving dish. $22.50. I always think these are neat. It's missing its spoon. It's probably about what I'd get for that after fees. And I've seen this set before in here, just in a different booth. Knickerbocker rattle. She's missing her glasses. $9 is still pretty fair. These are usually pretty pricey, but I can't see past that. If I were buying it for myself, honestly, I wouldn't care. It's so cute. This pig is pretty unique. $25. It's a little steep for resale. Howdy doody. Oh, dang, I thought it was $13 for this set at first. It's my favorite time. It's time to go upstairs. Well, that's neat. Baskets like that really do, I mean, I usually see glass baskets, not ceramic ones like this. This is really neat. It's plain white though, and glass baskets don't sell, so I can't imagine this would do much better, even though I really like the kind of Art Deco inspired shape. Oh, these little children's cowboy boots are so adorable. The peanut machine is cool. And a brass coffee dispenser. Very neat. It's like almost my height. What is going on up here? Chenille. Oh, that is neat. $5. Well, I have to get this. It's really incredibly different. Hold on, let me, oh, so cute. Let me put this down for a second, see what's, got a little extra fuzz there. Oh, yeah, that is absolutely adorable, and I love the colors. I've never seen a chenille peacock like this before. It's definitely got some age to it. Wait, why is this marigold glass deer dish only $6? That's really cheap. I've had a bunch of these. They're kind of hit or miss with how long it takes them to sell. I'm still confused why it's $6. I feel like there's something wrong with it, and I'm not seeing it. If it was a poodle, I would pick it up, certainly. I've had like 4 or 5 of the deer recently, so I'm gonna leave it here. All right, a lot going on here. I've looked at these bookends before. And the Santa planter is cute, but it's got a little paint loss. Whoa. This Fenton perfume bottle is absolutely beautiful. I'm not too familiar with what these go for. It's $19. I think I'm gonna go ahead and look that up. Okay, so I was trying to regain cell service to look that perfume bottle up, and I turned around and I saw this. It's fully restocked. It looks full of stuff I like, but somehow my eye managed to go directly to this. Oh my gosh. Well, this is just the find of the day. These sell for really good money. I've never even seen the all yellow one before. I think the last one I had that was Bluebirds, it sold for like $69, $75 or something like that. So this is definitely coming with me. It looks in really good condition too. Let's see what else they got in here. Box of ducks. They got 2 Lefton ducks in here. $10. That's a really good price. These sell like crazy around Easter. And I can't help but notice this little elf planter. That's fun too. I'm not gonna pick up the Lefton ducks. I'm being super picky, I know. But like I said, I'm looking for things that are really different. And speaking of different, these are funny. Now, they're supposed to be with a larger one on a chain. This little planter is so ridiculous. I wonder if that would come off. Oh my gosh, speaking of weird. How much is this? $9. I'm definitely getting this. So I'm a little overwhelmed. My eyes are kind of all over the place. I just saw these mushroom wall plaques, which I've never seen before. $12 for the pair is a really good price. I'm probably gonna sell them individually, honestly, because I've never seen them, like I said, and they're super unique. People love mushroom stuff, and they're really easy shipping weight. I thought they were gonna be chalkware at first, but they're that Sirico plastic. All right, back to this cutesy dog corner here. This pin cushion, $8, absolutely adorable. I'm gonna get this. And then this little dog is adorable too. $6. I think I'm gonna pick that up as well. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like this is gonna clean up the way I want it to, so I'm gonna leave it behind. And the little mice, that is pretty cute for $5. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. And the little egg cups in here. This one's pretty cute, but I've had a lot of things like it recently, and they don't sell for that much. All right, now let's see what's going on over here. Got enough of these, I think. The gray, I'm not the biggest fan of. What's this funny guy? $5. He's fun, but I'm kind of trying to narrow it down a little bit here because I'm not even halfway through the top floor. I'm still trying to get service to look up that Fenton bottle, but my gut kind of tells me to, whoa. That is really interesting. My gut is telling me to pick it up, but try and look it up as I go. Then you got the little bunny rabbit candy containers. Those are cute. $8. Really fair price. I usually pick these up. I'm gonna come back to this booth because I'm kind of nervous about what's waiting for me around the corner. Okay, yeah, so my gut is definitely telling me to pick this up for a reason. I'm not sure how much I'll get for it. I really have to do a little bit more homework, but I just took a little glimpse, and it's definitely worth more than $19 as I had suspected.